Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Aziz and you call me Aziz. And thanks to our God subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us for free oxygen for every day. And thanks to our and peace be upon our messenger and his companion and his family. So first of all, today I'm going to present about basic HTML and fundamentals. So today we're gonna talk about introduction to HTML and what function is it, and introduction to CSS and what it does, and we're gonna talk about common text like heading, paragraph, links, image, and so on. So what is HTML? HTML, which means stands for hypertext markup language, which is its most widely used language to create a web page or structure on the internet, and it allows developer to define elements such as heading, paragraph, and image and list, and making content readable for users. And HTML was invented or first introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in the late 90s and has since evolved into the word and most popular language used until today. So first we're gonna talk about CSS. So CSS, which means cascading style sheet, is used to like style the web with like font size, text, and background color. And while HTML defines what content appear on the page or in the website, and I give you an example. If a website without a CSS, it's look like boring, like there's no colors and just a simple text and just some simple button. And if we add to the CSS, there's like background color and some fonts and some colors, it's make like appear. And his now this is the example of the CSS, of the structure of the CSS. So this is for the background color, like example background color blue or light blue, and the color is white. And the font family, example Poppins. This is the example of the CSS. Now we're going to talk about HTML functions. And HTML gives to web page to organize and structure and like display them properly. Like example, H1 website, it's displayed in the header. This section is called header, the topmost section in the web. And this is section called navigation. It's for like home, about, contact. It's called navigation. And LI, it's mean list of navigation. And yeah. Now structure of an HTML document. So this is the layout of the website. So this is the topmost header as we talked previously, and this is the nav, and this section is called a site, and this one, the bottom is called footer, which the bottom one of the web, and this is section or article. And now we're gonna talk about HTML common tags, and H1 is used for like the biggest text size. Example like this Microsoft is the biggest text size on the web. And P is for paragraph. It's for like description of the article or something, like example like this. This is the H1 for the biggest fonts, and this is a section called P, or aka paragraph. And for the image one, it display the image on the web, like previously I show like this image. It's called EMG, the tags. Okay. And A is it's the A is for a link, or like when you're on the website, there's like click me here or download here. That's in the HTML we call A. Then link. We put link on the A section and write hyperlink to like another page or source. Example like this. This is for the A or a link. You can click, and this is for the image, where the image appear on the web. And I think that's all for me. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good 7 minutes, bro.